After installing Trackingplan, our algorithm will automatically start discovering and documenting what your apps and websites send to any analytics, marketing integrations, and pixels. It's your time to sit back as we automatically create your dashboard. But what does this process exactly involve? Let's break it down to better understand what happens after Trackingplan's installation. To make it short, Trackingplan introduces 3 main different states to help you identify which specifications are being enforced and provide you with a better understanding of the logic behind type and present specifications in your properties. The first one is the warm-up process. Here is where Trackingplan's algorithm will observe your event's traffic behavior and analyze the specifications associated with each of your properties. Think of it as a learning phase for Trackingplan to collect all the necessary data to understand what each piece of data means. To prevent you from any false alarms, Trackingplan won't trigger traffic warnings during this phase, but it can still warn you about event and property requirements incorrectly implemented in your sites or apps so you can start tackling data accuracy from day one. That way, if Trackingplan sees specifications recommended by your analytics services and your marketing tools that aren't being followed, Trackingplan will highlight these early on so you can take action. Once the warm-up phase is complete, Trackingplan will automatically determine the expected data type and presence for each property based on its analysis. You'll see these specifications labeled as Learnt by Trackingplan. But you also have full control to fine-tune the tracking specifications to fit your needs. Simply open the drop-down and adjust the type or presence constraints as you need. Trackingplan will label these specifications accordingly, allowing you and your team to see who made each change and when to collaborate more efficiently and undo any changes if necessary. In the same way, you'll also be able to easily identify if Trackingplan's support team has stepped in to assist you with any fine-tuning. You'll see these specifications labeled as Set by Support Team. Thanks for watching and welcome on board. Happy tracking!